There's enough evidence for trial in the case against a Southern Colorado funeral home owner accused of stockpiling nearly 200 bodies from 2019 to 2023 instead of burying or cremating them.
Jon and Jon Hallford each facing more than 200 charges. Denver 7's Colette Bordelon was at Jon's preliminary hearing today, where family members were enraged to see him out on bond.
Do you have anything to say for yourself for what you did to my child?
From the moment Jon Hallford entered the El Paso County Courthouse,
what did you do with my son?
To the time he left, he was confronted by family members. Of the nearly 200 people whose bodies were allegedly decomposing inside of Return to Nature funeral home in Southern Colorado.
I always looked up to her. She was my hero growing up.
Danica Romero was in the courtroom for her sister Amanda.
She was a daughter. She was a sister. She loved her kids so much.
Romero believes her family was given quick mix concrete instead of ashes, but says her sister hasn't been identified.
To date, 22 bodies remain unidentified.
District Attorney Michael Allen says since Hallford is out on bond, prosecutors only had to present evidence to prove the most serious charges against him, money laundering, during his preliminary hearing on Thursday. The judge ruled there is enough evidence to head to trial, and if both Jon and Jon Hallford plead not guilty, they'll be tried as co-defendants.
The courts move slow when we get into criminal prosecution. We're hopeful that it will happen in a relatively short amount of time.
The arrest affidavits, which were unsealed on Thursday, show in 2020, the Fremont County coroner told the Department of Regulatory Agencies they were suspicious about the poor treatment of human bodies and improper refrigeration at the funeral home. The coroner said they never got a response.
You think of a funeral home and you just assume they're going to do the right thing.
Arrest papers show in the months of November and December 2021, tens of thousands of dollars were taken from the business account. That included $19,000 spent on Amazon, $31,000 on cryptocurrency, and $8,500 on laser body sculpting. Prosecutors say the Hallfords also bought and sold 2 cars from 2021 to 2023. The FBI agent who testified said based on his calculations, the cost of those 2 vehicles, which were paid for in cash, would have covered the cost of cremating each body inside the funeral home twice.
I don't know what type of person even does that with someone that doesn't have a soul.
Romero wants to see this case go to trial.
My sister didn't deserve this. None of the families involved deserve this.
Hoping a trial holds some answers for the people with countless questions. Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.
And both Hallfords will be arraigned March 21st. That is when they will enter their pleas.
The EPA will begin demolition of the Return to Nature funeral home later this month. The agency expects it should take about 10 days to complete. Demolition was supposed to happen last month, but was postponed due to cold weather and scheduling issues.